Is Legion 5 Pro the best laptop of 2021 and 2022? Let's find out! The iconic Y symbol of Lenovo Legion lineup has become a symbol that is now well known in computer world. I am already using this laptop for 6 months. Therefore, you can see some smudges and dust on it. For this time, I must admit that I am impressed with it. I'm using it by 95% as content creator and only with tiny portion as a gamer. That is also a reason why I chose following configuration. It has Ryzen 7 5800H processor, 32GB of RAM, 1TB of NVMe M.2 SSD and RTX 3060 6GB graphics card. Let me show you more interesting features of this amazing laptop. You can't clearly say that this or that is the main feature of Legion 5 Pro, but if I had to choose the one that I'd like to start with, it would be the 500 nits 2K display. It's more than sufficiently enough for working on a sunny day outside. The colors are accurate enough to trust them in your creative process, even in projects that you are creating for your clients. The display is sharp even if you may switch to Full HD when playing games. Another exceptional part, which I as a creative person love, is the trackpad and the keyboard. Never in my life I have used the trackpad. The reason for that was that all trackpads I tried just sucked. This is the first trackpad that I am comfortable using it. The keys felt a little too mushy and too far from each other in the beginning, but that is something I got used to it quickly. Another amazing feature on Legion 5 Pro is the palette of ports. Altogether you are getting 10 ports ranging from LAN, USB-C ports, USB 3.0 ports, HDMI, TRS jack, but there's one that I am missing a lot. On Pro version of this laptop you can't find the card reader. Now that is a shame. All of us creators are using cameras and not having a card reader is just making things complicated. What this laptop excels in is the power needed for our creative process. The Ryzen 7 5800H is just a powerhouse. Do you need it as a gamer? Probably not. But do you wish it as someone who works in programs that are rendering any form of data? The answer is absolutely yes. The Ryzen 7 is the best balance between price and power. His 16 cores are pulling like crazy even in the modest balance mode. When watching comparisons made by fellow YouTube testers, you can see that there's not more than 10% increased power from much more expensive Ryzens. The clock speed and the CPU usage is stable in balance mode as well as in power mode. The people at Lenovo did an amazing job when configuring these modes, as they offer a very stable performance on heavy usage and make Legion 5 Pro very quiet while ordinary tasks. When you switch to power mode, the fans kick in and make their best to keep this laptop cool. I personally use the balance mode only all the time. This way, I'm letting laptop choose the best mode for actual workload. When writing a text, browsing and doing all those everyday tasks, you can't barely listen to any fan noise at all. However, even if the cooling system on Legion 5 Pro is very well, I can't recommend enough a good cooling pad. The airflow for fans is crucial, and the last thing you want to see is getting this beautiful laptop to be damaged. Until this review, I had only experience of rendering 4K videos of 8-bit 420, therefore I can't speak on matter of fluid playback of higher bitrate videos. So far, the RTX 3060 handled the video footage without any hesitation. What would be your choice of graphics card for this laptop? Now, let me show you those so much requested timings. As I said in the beginning, my Legion 5 Pro contains 32 GB of RAM in dual channel. I saw test of RAM made by Jared's Tech and I do believe that you did too. However, I didn't open my laptop as I don't want to break the warranty. For this reason, I can't neither confirm or deny whether it has one RX 16 or one RX 8 RAM. What about my overall conclusion? The build is solid and very clean. Apart from very few annoying things, I really love working on this laptop. It's not the thinnest one, it's not the fastest one, but certainly the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro is one of the, if not the best of all laptop options for creators in year 2022. What about you? Are you a gamer or a creator? Write me in the comments below this video. If you like this video and want to see the advanced review that is about to be published soon, make sure to subscribe to this channel. All the links in the description are affiliate ones, so if you buy something through them, I'll get a little reward with no additional cost for you. The design is clean. The power is always available, and that's the way I like having a laptop. If you want to get yours, a Legion 5 Pro, for the best price, check the links down below this video. My name is mariobeky, thanks for watching and see you soon. Ciao!